Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10x Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and select Passwords and Biometrics. Now you need to click on Lock Screen Password, wait 5 seconds and tap on Continue. Finally, you can click on Use a different password type and select one of those login methods. I will go with Pattern. Now enter your login method and repeat it. After that, if you wish to add your fingerprint, you can do that by tapping on Add and following the instructions. I don't want to, so I will go with Cancel. And now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!